In this video, I'm going to teach you how to send bulk emails using Sendgrid. In order to do that, first head over to sendgrid.com and click on the Start for Free option in order to create an account. Once you have created one, you can proceed to actually go in there, or if you already have it, just head over and click on the Sign In option. You can also see the plans that Sendgrid is giving you by clicking on the See Plans and Pricing. I have in here this documentation about Sendgrid Twilio's bulk email service, what it is and how to send it. So bulk email is something that is mass email, and it's actually a message sent to a large group of people all at once. So it's technically an email blast, which is good for newsletters. So for this, we will use our actual Twilio right there. So in here, you can see this. So you can find an email service provider, which is in this case is Twilio SendGrid. So you can just customize there your contact lists, and your contact list should be able to have all of the people that you want to send the bulk emails with. And you need to get a dedicated IP address if you want. And here is what we need. We need to have an email list. You can use simple sign up forms, or you can get their email from third party providers if you want. You need to also draft your content and then design your email from there. Twitter SendGrid actually have an editor that you can utilize for that. And in there, you also have call to action. You can start small with only a number of people and then send it all to everyone. So in there, if you actually send too many emails, there's actually a chance that it can negatively impact your sender reputation and low engagement and high unsubscribe rates. So in that way, you need to actually make sure that your email that you're sending is of high quality, and you can utilize this as well on your ZenGrid. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.